Hi, this is Brett with Pool Screens R Us. This is a complete restoration we did with 2020 screen. So it's new 304 stainless screws. All the screws were replaced. All the metal was sanded down, painted 2 times. It has 2 coats. On the bottom, we installed new cement anchors and then a cap around the bottom, a 1x2 cap that covers that old metal. Makes it look brand new. We put new hurricane braces on the top, new 1x2 to sturdy it up. New hurricane straps on the back wall. Brace it down. See that? And this is 2020 no-see-em screen, which prevents the little tiny bugs from getting in. And pine needles, if you have a problem with pine needles sticking to the screen, 2020 cures that.